Lalrinfela kan som anga ani hi government jet hangima college ABA English zirlai ani han English in la apwa china zan ina po hian kan hak le a tuna Lalrinfela Poetry Society kan some
Zaina ka poem ran share to he the last creation nia Christmas te nai to about Christmas lam poizong the win katia ka ponya na share tanang when by the moors neath the beamy light the wind gales of peace and harmony howling ire dreams aside the gentle flock quiet was the night neath the wonders of the heavenly clusters dreams the world in blissful harmony cheerily and dearly the diadem of the celestial gem floats shimmer amongst the clusters singing hymns of praise of which melody comes in three past the beamy hills and blooming dale o'er the land and soothing streams the night was quiet the dream blissful which embraced the world in peaceful harmony 'twas the night to hope not for the dawning morn for 'twas the night raging bees dreams with the gentle dove in harmony e'en famished herders dry o men alike fair feel their starve in the light of the house of bread cheerily and dearly shining bright many a song unsung by men nor by muses of the green the east it calls sweet songs of tree heard the stars who o'er the hills wander and many a day wept and mourned towards the celestial diadem with lights brighter than dragon's ire shine forth the stars of ease in heard of songs unsung by men of folk then by the hill joins the hymn of peace played by golden lyres and by golden harps made where no man delve then by the lonesome manger flowering stars of four I see hanging like chandeliers of gold sparkling bright and shining bright for the Prince of Peace who lay for them dreaming still peace and love embrace the world in the night of his presence the bliss of eternity in spade o ye celestial light the last creation for from I thy absence mourn I firmly pray ye ne'er more to roam yes I firmly pray to let the light of peace and everlasting bliss shine unto us as thou did yore in distant past and let the world bask in the peaceful embrace neath the light of he who giveth light to thee. Follow me.